Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Ariya. In this video I'll show you what is and how to enable steering assist. Let's start with basics. In Nissan Ariya, steering assistance is a core component of the ProPilot Assist system. It essentially acts as digital co-pilot that helps you keep the car centered in its lane. Depending on the trim level of your Ariya, this assistance works in two primary ways. First is lane centering. This is a standard version of ProPilot Assist with Navi Link. It uses front-facing camera to monitor lane markings. The car provides small automatic steering inputs to keep you in the middle of the lane. And the second one is hands-off driving ProPilot Assist 2, available on higher trims like Empress or certain Evolve Plus package. This is much more advanced version. On specifically mapped highways, usually major divided freeways, the steering assistance is powerful enough to allow you to take your hands off the wheel entirely while driving in a single lane. Camera on the dashboard tracks your eyes even though your hands are off. You must keep your eyes on the road. If you look away for too long, the steering assistant will disengage. To enable this function, take a look behind left side of the steering wheel and press steering wheel button. As you can see, this function is only available with cruise control on. So press ProPilot button and steering assist is engaged. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.